Hello everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out Facebook from all devices. Now without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch Facebook on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your profile, and at the bottom right corner, you will be seeing three lines icon that says menu. So just tap on that option at the bottom right corner of your screen. With that, you'll come across this menu page. Now scroll down below and tap on that option of Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings at the top. Now once you are here under this page, you'll see the option of Account Center at the top. Now just at the bottom of Account Center, you'll see the option of See More in Account Center. So tap on it. With that, you'll come across Account Center. Now under Account Settings, you'll see the option of Password and Security. So simply tap on that option. Now once you are here, you'll see various options available on your screen. Now under Security Checks, you'll see the option of where you are logged in. Now simply tap on that option. Now once you are here, you can see your Facebook account and other accounts as well. Now select the option of your profile picture with the Facebook logo on it. Here we go. Now you can see the locations and all the devices that you are logged into. Now in order to log out, just tap on the option of Select Devices to log out at the bottom. Now select all of these options that are given on your screen in order to log out of all devices. And at the bottom of your screen, you will be seeing an option of Logout. Now after selecting on all of these devices, just tap on that Logout option. Now a pop-up like this will appear and just tap on Logout. Now let's wait for some time while your Facebook account is being logged out of all devices. Now you can see that you have successfully been logged out of all these devices on your Facebook. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos.